How to shoot pants on hangers. The interface of the universal expansion slot faces down. Put it on a tripod. The slide of the main bracket leans forward slightly. Make these 4 openings on a flat surface. Remove the metal rod on the side of the hanger. Install it on the middle interface. Metal elbow on side interface. The two are connected together. Then connect the 20 cm telescopic rod in sequence and a 40 cm telescopic rod. The longest 87 cm telescopic rod packed in the middle. Adjust the waist tilt angle and then bend the metal elbows on both sides into radians. Put the underarm brace of the hanger. Put it at the bottom to open the trousers. The trouser rack is ready. Put on pants. Wear the waistband to this position. Tidy up the waistband. Then put the metal elbows on both sides, according to the size of the hip of the pants. Bend the arc, T-head of handle rod, stuffed into the pole on the other side. Pull the pole. Trousers. Take a photo.